Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the rush of modern life? It's a feeling that seems to creep up on us more and more these days. The world spins faster with every passing moment, and we're expected to keep up, juggling work, family, social obligations, and the endless stream of information that pours in from our devices. Sometimes it feels like there's barely a moment to catch our breath, let alone find a sense of calm. The constant noise and demands can leave us feeling frayed and exhausted. The blaring horns, the relentless notifications, the never-ending to-do lists, they all pile up, creating a sense of chaos that's hard to escape. Even when we try to relax, our minds often race with thoughts of what still needs to be done. It's no wonder so many of us long for a break, a pause, a moment of true peace. In a world that rarely slows down, finding moments of peace can feel like a distant dream. We search for it in vacations, in weekends, in the quiet moments before bed, but often, true tranquility seems just out of reach. The pace of life can make it difficult to simply be still, to let go of worries and reconnect with ourselves. Yet, the longing for peace remains, a gentle ache in the background, reminding us of what we're missing. But what if a sense of calm could be cultivated in just a few minutes? What if the key to unlocking tranquility was as simple as listening to a soothing melody? Imagine stepping away from the noise, even briefly, and letting gentle music wash over you. In that moment, the world slows down, your heartbeat steadies, your thoughts quiet, and you begin to feel a sense of ease that seemed impossible just moments before. It's not about escaping reality, but about giving yourself permission to pause and recharge. The power of music to influence our emotions is undeniable. Upbeat rhythms can energize and motivate, while gentle melodies have the ability to soothe and relax. Music has been used for centuries as a tool for healing, celebration, and connection. It can transport us to another place, evoke memories, and help us process our feelings. When we listen to calming music, our bodies respond. Breathing slows, muscles loosen, and our minds become more present. Even a short musical interlude can create a noticeable shift in our mood and outlook. This essay will explore the remarkable impact of calming music on our minds and bodies, particularly how just 3 minutes of listening can initiate a profound shift towards inner peace and well-being. We'll look at the science behind music's soothing effects, share stories of transformation, and offer practical tips for weaving moments of musical calm into your daily routine. In a hectic world, peace may be closer than you think. Sometimes it's just a song away. Have you ever wondered how something as intangible as sound can have such a profound and immediate effect on our emotions and sense of well-being? The answer lies in the fascinating science behind the way our bodies and minds respond to music and sound waves. From the moment a gentle melody or soothing rhythm enters our ears, a remarkable journey begins, one that travels deep into the core of our brains and influences our very chemistry. But how exactly does this process unfold, and why do certain sounds make us feel calm, centered, or even euphoric? The answer lies in the intricate connection between our ears and our brains. When we listen to calming music, our auditory system transmits signals to the areas of the brain responsible for regulating emotions, stress responses, and physiological functions. The auditory nerve acts as a messenger, carrying the vibrations of sound from the outer world directly into the limbic system, the part of the brain that governs our feelings and memories. This is why a single note or familiar tune can instantly transport us to a different emotional state, evoking memories, soothing anxiety, or even bringing a smile to our faces. Soft, harmonious sounds have been shown to trigger the release of dopamine and endorphins, neurochemicals associated with pleasure and relaxation. These feel-good chemicals flood our system, creating sensations of happiness, contentment, and even a gentle euphoria. This is why listening to your favorite song can feel like a warm embrace or a burst of sunshine on a cloudy day. The brain's reward center lights up, reinforcing the positive effects of music and encouraging us to seek out these soothing experiences again and again. Simultaneously, calming music helps to reduce the production of cortisol, the stress hormone that can leave us feeling anxious and on edge. As cortisol levels drop, our heart rate slows, our muscles relax, and our breathing becomes deeper and more even. This physiological shift is why music therapy is often used to help people manage stress, anxiety, and even chronic pain. The simple act of listening can become a powerful tool for self-care, helping us to reset and restore balance in our busy lives. This delicate dance between hormones and neurotransmitters creates a physiological environment conducive to peace and well-being. In essence, music and sound become a bridge between the external world and our internal landscape, shaping our mood, calming our nerves, and nurturing our sense of serenity. So the next time you find yourself reaching for your headphones or humming a gentle tune, remember, you're not just enjoying a pleasant sound, you're engaging in a powerful act of self-care, supported by the remarkable science of sound and serenity. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel like we're always racing against the clock. The constant demands of work, family, and daily responsibilities can leave us feeling overwhelmed and perpetually short on time. For many of us, the idea of carving out lengthy periods for relaxation or self-care seems not just difficult, but downright impossible. We rush from one task to the next, rarely pausing to catch our breath, let alone to truly unwind. The pressure to keep up can be relentless, and it's no wonder that stress has become such a common part of modern life. But here's the good news. You don't need hours of free time to experience meaningful relaxation. The beauty of using music for stress reduction is that even a brief listening session can yield noticeable benefits. Just a few minutes of your favorite calming tunes can help you reset, no matter how busy your schedule may be. Music has a unique ability to reach us quickly, bypassing the mental clutter and connecting directly with our emotions. It's a tool that's always available, whether you're at home, at work, or even on the go. Research shows that just 3 minutes of exposure to calming music can initiate a cascade of physiological changes that promote relaxation. In that short span, your body begins to respond, your mind starts to quiet, and your stress levels begin to drop. It's a simple, accessible practice that fits into even the busiest of days. Whether you're taking a quick break between meetings or winding down after a long commute, those 3 minutes can make a real difference. As the gentle sounds wash over you, your heart rate begins to slow, your breathing becomes deeper and more regular, and muscle tension eases away. The body's stress response is dialed down, replaced by a sense of calm and comfort. You might notice your thoughts becoming less frantic, your mood lifting, and a feeling of ease settling in. These changes aren't just in your imagination. They're real, measurable effects that music can have on your body and mind. This near-instantaneous shift allows you to step off the treadmill of stress and enter a state of greater calm and clarity. Even in the midst of a hectic day, music offers a rapid reset, a chance to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, remember, just 3 minutes of music can help you find your center and restore your sense of balance. Our nervous system is constantly responding to stimuli in our environment. When we encounter stress, our sympathetic nervous system kicks into gear, triggering the fight-or-flight response. This response, while helpful in dangerous situations, can be detrimental to our health when it becomes chronic. Calming music acts as a gentle balm for the nervous system, helping to shift us from a state of fight or flight to one of rest and digest. This shift is orchestrated by the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation, digestion, and healing. By activating the parasympathetic nervous system, calming music allows our bodies to unwind and recover from the stresses of daily life. The heart, often seen as the seat of our emotions, is deeply affected by stress. Chronic stress can contribute to high blood pressure, increased heart rate, and an increased risk of heart disease. Calming music offers a protective embrace for the heart, helping to counteract the damaging effects of stress. Studies have shown that listening to calming music can lower blood pressure, regulate heart rate, and even improve heart rate variability. which is a measure of the heart's ability to adapt to changing conditions. These positive changes contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system and a greater sense of overall well-being. Our blood vessels, responsible for transporting blood throughout the body, are also influenced by our emotional state. Stress can cause blood vessels to constrict, which can lead to high blood pressure and other health problems. Calming music helps to promote healthy blood flow by encouraging relaxation and reducing stress. As you listen to soothing melodies, imagine your blood vessels gently expanding, allowing blood to flow freely and nourish every cell in your body. This improved circulation not only benefits your physical health but also contributes to a greater sense of calm and mental clarity.